Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Guys, this is probably the highest requested videos that we get. I'm going to go through the charts today and show you guys how to find extremely high win rate trades you guys can take today for scalping. The principles you're going to learn in this single video, you guys can take throughout your week whenever you want to trade. Some testimonials of people doing what I'm going to show you in this video, give you guys a little bit of proof. It's kind of fun. This guy over here, he made $2,777 on the EOS pump using the three indicators. We're going to be looking at those: trend dashboard, price per swell, money flow, trend exhaustion. And he's been saying this: since joining the Trade Confident membership last month, I'm using both trend exhaustion and price per swell, money flow, these two indicators down here, making about $4,000 a month. Pretty ridiculous. I'm going to show you guys some techniques of how to do that. This guy down here does $485 yesterday and then another $661 this morning. Obviously, that's when he wrote in. Guy down here, $23,000 using both these indicators. I'm going to show you guys down here today. Another guy does $6,310. Then we got a guy down here doing $43,000 in 4 days, and it just keeps going on and on, about $100 to $400 a week on average. Different size accounts, guys, different results, but everyone is doing fantastic over here. This guy does about $4,000 in 24 hours on the outlay of $20,000 just using the indicators. By the way, indicators, 82% off in the description today. Make sure you guys snag that. You guys ready to have a blast? We're literally going to go through and find the highest probability scalping trade right now that you guys can take. What you learned in today's video, you guys can take with you whenever you basically trade. You wake up, you want to trade, you guys can take this with you. The strategy I'm teaching you guys, the principles I'm teaching you in this video, we have used to go 122 trades in a row, wins, with 0 losses. Okay, this also gives you guys one of the healthiest accounts in a bear market. I'm currently at 130,686 out of 150,000. We are doing very, very good while the market is dipping down and the S&P 500 this morning is gapping down, which is pretty ridiculous. This is one of the fastest drops we've ever seen, literally in the history of the S&P 500. The fastest drop here, guys, and we're still able to get into some really good positions and have very healthy accounts. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go in to this and let's dive in. I'm going to pretend you guys are like sitting with me at my coffee table, dinner table here, and we're going to go in. Let's dive in. First thing you guys want to look for is trend exhaustion in the bottom red section and is well money flow moving down. If we can see a bunch of red indicators up here on the trend dashboard, that's even better. So let's go through this and we'll follow these steps. I'm going to open this and we're just going to go through all this and we're going to see, we're going to put a green bar, basically a tag, you guys can choose whatever you want, next to the ones where we have a trend exhaustion low. So Bitcoin qualifies, so let's put a green little check mark on Bitcoin. Ethereum, are we in the bottom red section? Yes. ADA, this might be a lot of coins this morning. Pretty much if you throw your money into some of these coins, you guys are just going to make your money. All of you guys who scalped this entry when trend exhaustion was low here for 3 to 4%, you guys all made money this morning. You've already won all of your trades. So those of you guys who are following us, trend exhaustion got low on down here. It wasn't at the bottom. It was right about here when it first got into the red part, and you're looking for 3 to 4%. So you have all won your scalping trade on Doge this morning already. So congratulations. But however, you've already won that. Trend exhaustion is not low, so we're not going to mark that up. Okay, Link, absolutely, it's in the green section. Avalanche, yes, we're down there as well. And we're going to look at Mana now. And we are not lower than other ones, so we're going to skip on Mana. Matic, yes. DOT, yes, we're in the bottom red section. EOS, bottom red section. This is, guys, pretty much like I said, probably going to say this a lot in this video. You can pretty much throw money into the market right now. Use this strategy I'm going to teach you, and you're going to have a very hard time losing this trade. Okay, Shiba's not in the bottom, and then Luna. Okay, we're good. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is go back over here, and I want to look to see, is the well money flow, which is the green line here, is the well money flow low? And when I say lower, we're looking at it to come down to the other lows on the chart here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Out of these two, Ethereum is sitting lower down here at about the 35.4 mark, and then Bitcoin is sitting down over here at about the 43. So it's actually, let me see, Bitcoin's sitting at about, let me get this exactly in here, about 42, and Ethereum sitting down here at about 36. So Ethereum is lower, so we're going to take this off. Now between Ethereum and ADA, this is sitting down here about 32, so ADA is even better than that. We're going to compare it to Link. Let's see what this is at, about 37, and ADA is at right about here, about 32. So ADA is even better than that. So we're trying to beat 32 on here. You guys see what I'm doing here? This is about the same on Avalanche. Okay, let's look at Matic. This is about 35. It's a little bit higher. Let's go to DOT. Let's take a look at this, about 39. Excuse me, Cardano was a little bit lower. Take a look at this here. 36, Cardano was still lower at 32. And let's look at VET. Oh, VET is down there, guys. All right, VET is definitely going to be beating out Avalanche. I like ADA, so I'm going to keep that on the chart. And this is pretty high here as well. Okay, now I've narrowed it down to two that I feel like are the best as far as our indicators and metrics. So the metrics indicators, you guys combine those together. I want to go into what we call kind of like our on-chain blockchain data. They can be called metrics as well. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to our charting platform over here on tradeconfident.io. You guys need a membership for this. This is how you guys get extremely accurate entries. It's just $95 a month. You'll get access to all of the charts, the entries and exits on Telegram, all of the masterclasses, the community chat. I'm going to go live with you guys in May here coming up next month, and I'll have a date on that on the website here very soon. But here's what you do. You come up here to the search bar. Actually, let me show you how to access this. Come to the front page, go to crypto charts, and you're going to see all these charts. It's very simply laid out. I can't stand complicated, so we made it simple. Front page, all the metrics. All right, let's go over Cardano. So let's click on Cardano. We're going to compare these two, Cardano and VET. So let's come up here and look at this, okay? Here are the precursors that you guys want to be looking for. You want to look for this. Is the emotional index sitting in the anxious or fearful section? Yes, that's a good check. Check number one. Move down here to trades in favor. Are we in good long trades or great long trades? We are actually just now pushing up into the neutral section, so we're technically not there yet. Are Wells institutions buying? Yes. Okay. That's what we want to look for. Let's go back over to VET and see if we can compare the same. Let's come over here. Let's go click this, go to VET. And click that. Three things. Emotional index. Are we in the anxious or fearful section? Yes. Move down here. Trades in favor. Yes. It's actually in a better trade setup than ADA actually. You guys see how it's in the good long trade? And as long as we get Wells institutions buying, yes, we're buying. This is the best trade setup for today. I know it's not on Coinbase, so I'll give you guys two options. You can follow the rest of this video of what I'm going to show you for ADA or VET. These are both very, very good trades, okay? But I am going to do it on VET because it is the best trade setup for the day. So here we go, guys. This is exactly how you place these trades, and this is how you can be doing some ridiculous profits on here. And the compound interest on this is pretty crazy. Okay, VET. Let me go through the checks one more time. Trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section. Well money flow is low. The emotional index is in the fearful or the anxious section. That is 3 out of 3. 4 out of 4, your trades in favor is in a good long trade. 5 out of 5, you are trading with whales and institutions and smart money because they're buying as well. The last step you guys need to do here, this is it, and you guys will get this. Scroll down on VET, and right here, you guys are going to get all of your entries. I will keep this private for our members, but I want to show this to you on Bitcoin because you guys can, once you have membership, come here, look at everything. I want to show you how we're doing this. This is how we are not losing a single trade in crypto. So on VET and on Cardano, because those are the top two coins today, here's what you're going to do. Choose the amount that you want to enter in this scalping trade with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split that $1,000 into 4 equal portions, 250, and place that 250 at each of the 4 yellow buy limits right here. Okay, guys? What's going to look like this morning is you are going to see those 4 yellow lines. This is not where they're at. This is just visually showing you guys an example. Once that first buy limit is hit, like I said, there's going to be a sell limit up there in green. Set that up. It's in case we explode overnight. Okay? What you're going to do, because a scalping trade, is you are going to not wait for your first buy limit to get hit, but you're going to market order in immediately for the buy for what the buy limit shows. Let me explain this differently. On our normal strategy, you want to wait for the first buy limit to get hit. But because we already went through all the precursors of a good trade setup, you don't need to wait any longer, okay? Here's what I'll say about this. You can market order in right now, but if you do, I would suggest going just like a couple cents or not even a couple cents, like maybe 1 cent below the live price. Why is that? It's because you will then, let me show this to you guys over here. Actually, I'm not gonna be able to show it to you on fees. If you do a buy limit versus a market order, you're gonna pay less fees on your exchange. Okay, it's the difference between a maker and a taker order. Okay, I showed this to you guys in a video yesterday. So for all of you guys scalping, you guys can get in right now, and you're going to be using those 3 other buy limits on the VET or Cardano charts. If the price goes up 3 to 4%, you're going to make money, and that's all you're doing. So let's say, for example, right now you got in at 0.05353. Okay, I'm going to do this with you guys. Let's say we all jumped in right now, and we got in 0.05353. Okay, you're going to take that number, times it by 1.04, and that is going to be your sell limit, or your take profit at 0.05567. Okay, all you are looking for in the market on this, guys, and I know it seems small, so you can hold more if you'd like, but you're only look at that. I'm hardly moving it up, and we're at 8% already. You are just looking for 3 to 4%. That's okay. Let's look at that. Let's pull some. I'll go up here just so you guys can see that. That is all you are going to try to scalp, is that much out of the market. That's it. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, guys, but please stick to the 3 to 4% because I've looked at structures on our other coins on the 4 hour. Almost everything hits of 3 to 4%. So here's the thing. If you get in here and it exits, go through the exact same process on other coins and get into another trade and just doing compound interest every day. You can take 3 to 4 or 5 trades a day if you want once it's hit its take profit. And you're just doing it over and over and over again. Guys, this is literally how some people are doing incredible profits like I showed you in the beginning of this video. Guys, I would be in here with you, but all of my cash is in the buy limits right now. So here's the thing. If VET goes up, I'm not in VET because you can't trade on Coinbase, just so you guys know. But let's say you guys are doing this on Cardano. I'm already in Cardano, so I will be experiencing the money in my account when it goes up. Are you going to experience it? You guys get a chance to get in here at these lower prices and make some money. So that is how our scalping strategy works. And we're using that same strategy in our overall strategy here with the big 4 buy limits to literally not lose a single trade. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and all of crypto that we can find, actually. Last but not least, guys, before I leave you, make sure you guys are getting the indicators. They are 82% off today. Guys, this is the best deal you guys can get on indicators. Here's the reason why. I'll start with this. I know it sounds like, I don't want to sound arrogant, so I would word this correctly. I coded indicators for TradingView.com users about 2.5 years ago, coming up on 3 years, okay? I had the COO, Chief Operating Officer, and Chief Marketing Officer come out and try to purchase indicators from me in the past, from things that we've built. I've been through the gamut, guys. I've coded hundreds of indicators, literally, and we've narrowed it down to these indicators here. Basically, we put it into the 9 best indicators we can find for crypto, stocks, and Forex, and we placed them over here. These 3 that we are using, guys, have helped us never lose a single crypto trade, and they've helped us in our scalping strategy get into some incredible entries and exit before the market actually drops. I haven't even gone over this in this video, but guys, when trend exhaustion is in the top red section and well money flows high, that is when you're looking for the drop back down. The accuracy of this is actually insane, and I'm not joking, guys. When you have these on your charts, there will be mornings you wake up and you're like, I literally feel like I'm cheating in these markets, and it's like it's almost too easy. Now, honest, guys, let's just be honest right here. Is it going to call every single drop and every single pump 100% of the time? No way. There's no way that's even possible because we would all just take out loans and be billionaires. But you will see, I can guarantee you guys, the accuracy on these 2 indicators here and the ones that we have will far surpass the ones that you guys probably have on your charts at the moment. This is how we've never lost a trade. So here's the deal, guys. These 3 indicators that you need, they are 40% off today. Enter coupon code SAVE MONEY. Best deal we got going on, bundle pack. Basically, for the same price, actually a little bit less than grabbing these 3 here. You guys are going to get the bundle pack and you'll get all 9 indicators. These 2 indicators are Forex indicators, never coded on TradingView before. This is what we call our breakout indicator, or what we call our jackpot indicator. Make sure you guys use it. Watch the video. Use it, not sparingly, but use it with responsibility. Okay, it can get you into some really, really big moves, but please just watch how you can use it on here. But guys, get the indicators. They're literally 82% off. One-time purchase, lifetime access. I was trying to figure out the name in my head. Lifetime. No monthly purchases for this, guys. You also get the source code. Something I like to do for all of our members here is that you guys are just going to get the source code. I don't know if you guys understand what that means, and I'll end this video after this because I know it's getting long. When you guys have source codes, let's say you purchase a TradingView indicator from somebody, and for some reason, they pass away, and their TradingView account gets revoked and it gets shut down. Because they gave you access to the indicator on TradingView, they can revoke the access to that code because that author's not there anymore. It can happen, okay? So what I like to do is we literally just give you guys the source code to the indicator so you can upload them on your TradingView account, and you literally get them for life. Like, nobody can take them away from you. If you're going to pay for it, I want you to have it for life. We have the highest selling product and the highest rated product on all of Gumroad.com for education, trading, Bitcoin, and indicators, and it is our bundle pack. So anyways, guys, snag it. It's just fun to talk about a little bit because you guys are doing so well. Come look at the testimonials, guys. Come snag a membership in the description, but that is how you guys find ridiculously high probability scalping trade setups every single morning. If you guys want to turn this into a career, literally, and you follow this process every single day when you wake up, and you get in for 3 to 4%, and you're rinse and repeat for the next year, you guys will do amazing, because that strategy where we're setting up those buy limits, if the market goes down after it's super, super low, the chances of it going down and hitting your fourth buy limit, extremely low. That is why people who have traded this, seriously guys, I know this for a fact because I've been tracking this, not a single person trading our scalping strategy since it's come out has ever lost a trade. You are hitting some buy limits, but you've never lost a trade. The people who already took the Doge trade already won this morning. Okay? So guys, I get jacked about this. Hopefully you can hear the excitement in my voice, because it's like we get to help people every single day make money in these markets. So guys, God bless you. Seriously, have an amazing, amazing week. I'll be doing videos all week long. Make sure you guys are getting the indicators in the description, 82% off, and then come over here and join our membership to access all of the metrics, see what the whales are doing, the masterclass for how to scalp this really quick. Come over here, masterclass 7 will give this basically a rundown of what I just taught you guys back in the masterclass 7, and watch these others. But really, I literally have taught these to people who run hedge funds in the billions of dollars. So I literally just talked to one of the guys that does that. It was Friday. Really good friend of mine, actually. So anyways, guys, that's all it. Links in the description. Click those, guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll come out with another video today talking about the markets and where I think they're going to go. But good job, guys, for scalping this the last couple days and over the weekend, and for everyone getting in today. All right, we'll see you guys later. Links in the descriptions. Bye, guys.